I must say it's really not easy to choose the right gaming handset for yourself. There are hundreds of options in the market, some good, some bad, some expensive, some cheap. You really have to come up with your list of wants while looking for one. When I started my search, I wanted something good looking with the durable, great sounding and reasonable priced. Then I come across the brand EKSA and their new Air Joy Pro, an ultralight gaming handset that has been launched just these days. The Air Joy Pro 7.1 surround sound ultralight gaming handset is a multi-platform device that will work with the Xbox One, PS4, Nintendo Switch, PC, Mac and any mobile device with a 3.5mm jack. Created by pro gamers and the gaming designers, it weighs only just 162 grams and should be suitable for the longest gaming seasons. Running with a slim inner metal body and soft earmuffs, all accompanied by a 7.1 surround sound available on PC via the USB audio cable, this should be perfect for those who are looking to gain extra immersion on their seasons. The Air Joy Pro comes in a black cardboard box that contains all the necessary accessories. So let's see what we get in the box. In this little transparent plastic bag we find some things inside. You get one USB Type-C to USB cable, then we get one USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio cable. Here is a splitter cable for separating audio and microphone inputs, then one detachable microphone and standard user guide. And of course, in the black box is also a black protective bag in which are our headphones. The Air Joy Pro comes with a modern design and has a red-black combination going on adds up in the gamery feeling. The red lights on the side are nice addition as well. The Air Joy Pro really stands up its name, weight just 162 grams, it's most lightweight gaming handset I ever had in my hands. But being that light doesn't take away anything from its design and the premium feel. When you had this handset on, you didn't even feel like you were wearing anything on the head. The breathable material of the handset makes it comfortable to wear for a longer period of time. The Air Joy Pro has a solid fit and won't fall off while shaking your head. The headband is thin and I know the purpose behind it, it's to reduce the weight of the handset. The headband is made of metal and it's quite flexible. The Air Joy Pro comes with 40mm drivers and support 7.1 surround sound and stereo modes. It has a frequency range of 20Hz to 20kHz. The audio quality is really good considering the price. When it comes to gaming, the audio outshines itself, especially its surround sound department. Air Joy Pro filled up all my expectations. They are balanced with the impressive dynamic range. The microphone may seem a bit quiet, but this can be fixed by fine-tuning some pitch equalizer setting. One cool thing about Air Joy Pro is the ability to connect such a wide range of devices, which include Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, PC, Mac and any mobile devices with 3.5mm jack. I was surprised when I saw the USB Type-C port it used as the audio input. Even some of the higher end handsets still use the micro USB, so extra points for that to EKSA. Connecting this handset to any device is pretty simple. You just plug in the respective cable in the respective port and voila, you are connected. The detachable cables are a huge plus as it's easy to swap them and makes the handset mobile. One easily forgettable but very useful feature is rotation ability on the handset, as you can raise them float on your shoulder while not using them. The EKSA Air Joy Pro, which is ultra lightweight, packed with a ton of features, it is for every combination. If anyone wants an affordable gaming handset with plenty of features, then I would definitely recommend buying the EKSA Air Joy Pro. If you are interested, click here on use the coupon code to get them of 20% off discount. In my opinion, you won't find anything that comes closer to Air Joy Pro for that money. The official buying links are below in the description and in the comments below the video. Thanks for being with us, share your more valuable opinion and feedback in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for the further updates in the coming videos. Bye.